Hello and welcome everyone. So in today's video, we are going to solve this nice geometrical problem. In fact, this question is asked in USA grade 8 examination. And the statement of the question is like in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree, angle C is 30 degree. Perimeter of triangle ABC is then we have to find out the area of triangle ABC. So in order to find the area of triangle ABC, first consider side length AB as small a. Now in triangle ACB, so here in triangle AB, in fact in triangle ACB, we will be using the T ratio sin A. So in this triangle, sin 30 degree will be written as perpendicular, that is AB, divided by hypotenuse, that is AC. So the value of sine 30 degree will be 1 by 2, and AB we have assumed it as A, and AC will be remain as it is. So from here we can write AC is equal to twice of A. That means the hypotenuse of triangle ABC is now 2A. Similarly, in triangle ACB, if we apply the cosine T ratio like cos 30 degree, so in triangle ACB cos 30 degree will be equal to base, that is BC, divided by hypotenuse, that is AC. So if we put all the given values, so here we will have cos 30 degree, that will be square root of 3 by 2. BC will remain same and AC is 2A now. So from here we can write BC is equal to A square root of 3. So with this manner we have all the sides of this right angle triangle as A, 2A and A square root of 3. And here it is also given that the perimeter of this triangle is 36. So we will be using this condition to find exact value of A. So the perimeter of triangle ABC is 36. So from here we can write AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 36. So if we put all the values of the sides in terms of A, so the equation will become A plus A square root of 3 plus 2A is equal to 36. From here we can write 2A and A will become 3A. So from here we will have 3A plus A square root of 3 is equal to 36. So if we take A common from left hand side, so we will have A times 3 plus square root of 3 is equal to 36. So from here we will have A is equal to 36 divided by 3 plus square root of 3. So if we multiply the right hand side by 3 minus square root of 3 in numerator and denominator both, so the value of A becomes A is equal to 36 times 3 minus square root of 3 divided by, so here if we consider 3 as A and square root of 3 as B, so it is looking like plus B, A plus B and A minus B, and here this A is different from this one particular A. So here we are trying to use the identity that A plus B times A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. That means 3 plus square root of 3 times 3 minus square root of 3 will be written like 3 square minus square root of 3 raised to 2. So after simplifying this, we will have 36 times 3 minus square root of 3 whole divided by 3 square, that is 9, and square root of 3 square, that is 3. So from here the value of A can be given as A is equal to 36 times 3 minus square root of 3 divided by 6. So from here A can be written as A is equal to 6 times 3 minus square root of 3. So this is the value of A in its simplest form. So from here we can calculate the area of triangle ABC in exact form. So the area of triangle ABC can be written as 1 by 2 times base, that is BC, and height, that is AB. So from here we can write the area of triangle ABC like area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 times base, that is BC, multiplication height, that is AB. So if we put all the values in this equation, so we will have 1 by 2 times BC, that is A square root of 3, and AB, that is A. So after simplifying this, we will have square root of 3 divided by 2 times A square. So from here we can write square root of 3 divided by 2, and if you put the value of A in place of A square, so it can be written as 6 times 3 minus square root of 3 raised to 2. So if we simplify this, we will have square root of 3 divided by 2, and square of 6 will become 36. Further we will have 3 minus square root of 3 raised to 2. So if we here use the identity a minus b raised to 2, so it can be written as a square plus b square minus 2ab. So it can be written as square root of 3 times, and when 2 divides 36 it will become 18. So the resultant will be square root of 3 times 18, and here we will be using this identity. So it can be written as a square, that will be 3 square, plus b square, that will be square root of 3 raised to 2, minus 2ab, that will be 2 times 3 square root of 3. So further we will have square root of 3 times 18, and bracket can be written as 3 square, that is 9, square root of 3 square, that will be 3, minus 6 square root of 3. So after simplification it, we will have square root of 3 times 18, 9 plus 2 it will become 12, and remaining will be 6 square root of 3. So if we take 6 common from this bracket, so the resultant will be square root of 3 times 18 multiplication 6, and it will look like 2 minus square root of 3. So after simplification it, we will have square root of 3 times, and 18 times 6 will be 1 0 and 8. Further we will have 2 minus square root of 3. So from here the area of triangle ABC can be written as 108 times, if we multiply this square root of 3 in this bracket, so it can be written as 2 square root of 3 minus 3. So this is the area of triangle ABC, and this is the final answer of this question. So I hope you like the solution. So if you like it, please like the video, share it with your friends who likes to enjoy mathematics, and please subscribe to the channel. And thanks a lot for watching this video.